Okay. Tyler, I can't believe I'm about to say this. I really don't want to do it. You want me to stay on my head hard on that carport over there? I will do it. Because I listen to you. That's all. I listen to you and Peyton. When you're here, Tyler, you're the boss of me. But or I will do something I don't know. But if you see Peyton over there, you would, if you say Peyton over there, I would do a dare. The dare I would do for the dare I would do would be the carport. Truth. Like a dare truth. I don't know what the truth will be. Truth. Well, Tyler, just pick truth for me. I don't really know what to do for truth at all. But Peyton, think of what I can do as a truth. Or think at like what for me to do for a dare, or for a, just think what I need to do for a dare or truth. Okay. Oh, by the way, if I don't spell dare right, I don't care. Oh, look at that. That was a freaking close call. That was a good call right there. A very bad call. There's a tractor over there. How are you supposed to stop? Ooh, that's a big beast. You got to be kidding me. You got to be kidding me. Are you serious? Not joking. Dad? Now he has the sprayer. Now they're on a spray. Now they're spraying. Oh, they are? Yeah. Hi, Brandon! You're fat! But Peyton, if you're watching right now, get outside and come on, man. Look at that big beast. Well, guess what? These nuts. I have these nuts. You want to know what these nuts mean? Damn. Oh, by the way, if you're Tyler's friend, by the way, do not call him a big bird. I did before and he punched. It was pretty funny. But call Peyton a big bird. Because he's a big fat bird. But like and subscribe. Ta-da. These nuts.